You see these receipts right here? These are receipts I just collected within the past few days. Now, most people, when they see receipts like this, they just throw them away. But I'm gonna show you how you can make money with receipts just like this. Watch this. Okay, so you're gonna get paid to scan receipts on this app. As always, I will leave the link to it in the description. You can download it on your phone. It is completely free to use. All you're gonna do is have your receipt. Doesn't matter, what kind of receipt it is. You're gonna click scan and you're gonna be credited. So you'll see here at the top, I have 6,058 cents. I have my first receipt. I'm gonna do a few of them, but I'm gonna click scan for this first one, and just make sure it's lined up. Just make sure it's within the last 2 weeks of the current date, and just make sure it's clearly seen. And then after that, you just click submit, and it will literally credit you instantly. So you see how much I get for this receipt. It is 2 cents. Not a lot, but you can just do this for every single receipt. So once you're done, a little ad will pop up, but you can just go back out of that. And then I'll do another one. So you see here my balance, it did change to 6,060 cents now, went up 2 cents. So another receipt, I'll click scan. Same thing, just making sure it's lined up. Click submit. And then see how much I get credited for this one. For this one, I got 3 cents. You know what I'm saying? So they're not really, they're not always big, amounts of money, but, it's for receipts. I mean, people throw receipts away all the time, so you might as well get credited for them. Got another receipt, so I'm just going to do this. Like I said, I'm just showing you a few examples just to show you how easy this is, and just, how anybody can really do this. Just make sure it's lined up. You click scan, and after that, you click submit. And wait for it to credit you. Another 3 cents. So just like that. And like I said, now it will continue to pop up, but you can just always back out of that. Click scan again for another receipt. And here, you see here, these receipts, they're not anything special. You don't have to spend a certain amount of money or nothing like that. You just go through the same process, with every single receipt. Just click scan, submit it, and then wait for it to credit you 3 cents, just like that. So I'll do another one real quick. Just line it up. And this is kind of a bigger one, but you see here, it really doesn't matter if it's a big receipt or a little receipt. Just same process goes. So click submit and then wait for it to credit you. Right there, another 3 cents. So it's just that simple. Just take a picture of it. It doesn't really get any easier than that. So I'm going to do one more here. See how much I get credited for this one. And scan, submit, and let's see how much I get credited for this one. Maybe 3 cents or 2 cents. Okay, so there it goes. So you see here, my balance is 6,074 cents now. I started out at 6,058 cents. So I got actually one more receipt that I'm going to do just to, get this over with, because it's about to expire. So I'm going to do this one as well. Click submit, and 3 cents for that one. So there it is. Those are all the receipts that I have right now. So you see here, I have 6,077 cents. And all of these receipts, they will go into pending status at first, just to make sure they're within the last 2 weeks and they're clearly seen. And after that, you can be credited for them. So they'll probably take maybe, a few hours for them to do that. So here are the different cash out options you can choose from. You got gift card. You can go to your bank. You can go to PayPal. If you choose gift card, it is actually Amazon gift card. So that's, very cool. A lot of people use Amazon. So I just click on gift card right here. And you'll see there, that's the pending points, the 19 cents that I got for the receipts today. But the 6,058 cents has already, been approved. So that's how much I can withdraw. You have to make sure your approved points you're withdrawing. So you see here, I can do bank and go to Zelle and do that as well. PayPal, straight to my PayPal account. And the thing about PayPal, you can actually redeem at 1 cent. You don't even need like $1 or anything like that. So I think really the highest one you need is for the gift card, the Amazon gift card is maybe like a couple of dollars, and the bank maybe a couple of dollars. But the PayPal, a penny is all you need. So there you have it. It's very easy to use. Just whenever you get a receipt, just scan it, get credited for it. I think the most I've ever gotten for a receipt is 25 cents. The least I ever got is, 1 cent. But nonetheless, it's an easy app to use. I want you to download it on your phone. It's free, and start making money with your receipts. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.